If you're sick of carrying around heavy gas bottles or having the wind blow out the flame on your camping stove, then this induction cooker from Anaconda will revolutionise your camp cooking experience. This is basically an ultra portable and easy to set up stove that runs off 240 volt power. It can be plugged into mains power if there's a connection available, but if you're off the grid like I currently am, you can also run these off an inverter or a portable power station. When you crank this thing to the max, it puts out an impressive 2,000 watts of power, pretty similar to full-scale induction cooktops installed in some homes, but when you don't require that much heat for cooking, there's also a lot of adjustment to really fine-tune that temperature, and it goes down as low as 300 watts, which is perfect for simmering. The unit is controlled from this convenient touch panel down the bottom here that makes turning it on and adjusting the temperature so easy, and there's even a few mode presets to really take the guesswork out of cooking. The Dune induction cooker is also compatible with most cast iron, steel and enamel cookware, so the chances are your existing pots and pans will work just fine. And on the bottom you'll find some non-slip feet so the cooker won't slide around while you're cooking. One of the main reasons a lot of people have been switching to induction cooktops is how great they are in windy conditions. Essentially, there's no flame to blow out, so it doesn't matter how crazy that wind gets, your cooking will be unaffected. And because of that, there's no need for any annoying windbreaks, which makes this way quicker to set up, and it means we can still use full-size pots and pans without those windbreaks getting in the way. The Dune induction cooktop has been tested and is compliant to Australian safety standards too, so you can be confident knowing it's safe to use around camp. One thing I personally love about induction cooktops is that they are so easy to clean. Essentially, they're just a flat panel of glass, so there's nowhere for food to get lodged, so a quick wipe down with a trusty grime wipe and it's good as new. When you're finished with it, the included storage bag keeps the unit safe from damage and makes it easy to store until your next cook-up. So if you're looking for a modern solution to take your camp cooking to the next level, the Dune induction cooktop is a great and affordable option. Pick one up from your local Anaconda store or from the Anaconda website.